The TV in the cafe flashes images of war, famine, and injustice. One person shakes their head and says, "Humans aren't violent by nature. War is tragic, so it can't really reflect who we are." It sounds right, it feels comforting, but it's not logical. That's the moralistic fallacy. Humans aren't cruel. The moralistic fallacy happens when we confuse how the world should be with how the world actually is. It assumes that if something is morally wrong, or if we wish it weren't true, then it must not be real. If it ought not exist, it doesn't exist. Reality doesn't follow our ethics. Facts don't disappear because they're uncomfortable or undesirable. You'll hear this fallacy in everyday reasoning. Humans are basically good, so cruelty can't be natural. Eating meat harms animals and the planet, so eating meat is unnatural. Women and men should be equal, so they must be equally capable at everything. Cheating is wrong, so feeling desire outside a relationship must be unnatural. The medicine should help me, so it must be working. A classic placebo reasoning. Notice the pattern. Wishful thinking replaces evidence. This fallacy often overlaps with appeal to emotion because it leverages moral feelings to dismiss evidence. It is also closely related to appeal to nature, since both argue from a natural or good standard. They're related, and both deal with what should be. Appeal to nature says something is good because it's natural. Moralistic fallacy flips it. Something can't be true because it would be wrong or bad. How do you catch it? When someone argues that something cannot be true simply because it would be wrong or undesirable if it were true. Reality doesn't owe us comfort. Moral clarity starts with factual honesty. Next, they didn't make it, but the winners did. We'll explore survivorship bias.
Think critically, see clearly. Searchlighter.